وجوب الحج بعد تحقق شرائطه, obligation of the Hajj after the fulfillment of its condition is fawri, instant, immediate, no delay. You cannot delay. But when? As long as you are able to arrive in Makkah and perform Umrah al-Tamattu. The maximum time is 9th Dhul Hajj. But if you know that you will not be able to make it to the 9th Dhul Hajj, you have to arrange before. See, you have to. So that is Fawri. Fawri doesn't mean that in Dhul Qa'd you have the capacity, go immediately. No. So you have to choose a flight or a route, the last flight you can get, that flight is wajib. Before that, if there are flights, those flights are mustahab. The neck point, the narrowness, the more it becomes narrow, and you know that after that, there is no way you are able to be in Makkah, because most of the flights are packed on 7th, 8th, and 9th Dhul Hajj. People in Persian Gulf, they do Hajj Sariya, Hajj, fast Hajj. Means they arrive there 8th, they do their Umrah on 8th, or they arrive there 9th, they do their Umrah on 9th, and Dhuhr 9th, they are in Arafat, and on 12th, after they pelt their shaitan, they're back to their hometown. So 3 days they are in Saudi Arabia, you see, or let's say Makkah. For those people who are first timers, I would not recommend that they try to take the chance of Hajj Sariya. Anything can happen. The flight can cancel. The flight is packed, double booking, all those things we have seen it with our eyes. So just give some time, and that time can become obligatory upon you if you are, especially you feel that you will not be able to get the tickets, later tickets. So the earliest ticket you get is wajib, even if that was 1 week before Arafat or 5 days before Arafat, because that is your chance. That is the wajib. فَيَلْزَمُ الْإِتْيَانُ بِهِ فِي الْعَامِ الْأَوَّلِ. So it is necessary to perform the Hajj. This year you became able, capacity, you have that for Hajj, ability, you go this year. لِلْإِسْتِطَاعَةِ فَإِنْ تَرَكَهُ فِيهِ فَفِي الْعَامِ الثَّانِي. If you will not do it this year, then the next year, and so on. If next year you don't do it, the third. So here the ulamas, they have a ruling here. So you have to maintain your capacity, okay? The money, the permission, all those kind of capacities. Let's say if next year you purchased a car, okay, or you did something, or some loss, God forbid, happened, and you had to spend that money. So now you don't have money. Now, fuqaha, they say you have to borrow money and go for Hajj, because Hajj has been activated upon you and you did not go. So you have to do it this year. And once it becomes activated, it cannot become deactivated by losing money. No, it super glues itself on you so that you perform next year even by borrowing.